cheating. And I'm gonna give you the reviews.
Wait a minute. You come to my
guy, but I just washed my hair and I just wanted to give you, I found some of the all natural product that I'm giving away in my giveaway in my own cabinet, so I decided to show you guys the difference. So this is like, I just washed it and the shrinkage is real, and this is when I followed the instructions on the cream glaze. I can pull it out more, but you can tell it has body and it's shakeable, whereas this side is not. Here you can kind of see the my hair pattern. So in 2018, I'm just gonna tell you this now. I don't know who I can trust. So it's important for me to just trust God and myself, basically. Because if it's not people doing weird-ish things that people say, it's like, are you trying to throw shade?
Wait a minute.
You come to my page
throwing shade? And you think you're better than me?
Until God reveals it, I'm gonna be quiet, because I like peep petty stuff, petty-ish, and petty things. I peep it. What you're not gonna do is come to my page, peeping what I say, so you can run off and tell it to somebody else. I don't see myself as better than anybody else. I don't put people on a pedestal. I look up to a lot of YouTubers that I think are doing great things. I want to be like them. Like, for example, right now I look up to Gold Juice all the time. What is the name of her thing? Melanin Child. I have mad love for that girl, Melanin Child. Sigrid, my friend, who's a vlogger. I just look up to a lot of people overall.
And dial again.
Giving me the sign, so I gotta take it in now. In now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, you know I'm with the gang right now.
Do you want to have a drink? I have lots of drinks and I